Our first topic is how to create single group. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounts Info, then Groups. Now go to Create under Single Group. Type the name of the group. In Under Options, select one category in which that group lies. Press Enter. Press Enter or Y for yes. Our second topic is how to alter or delete single group. In Accounts Info, go to Alter option from Single Group. Select group which you want to alter. Now make changes which you want. Don't forget to save after making change. Press Enter or Y for yes. Stay in Alter option and open group you want to delete. Press Alt plus D to delete. Then press Enter or Y for yes. Our third topic is how to create multiple group. In Accounts Info, go to Groups option. Go to Create under Multiple Groups. Select category under which you want to create from the list of categories. Write name of groups one by one. Press Enter or Y to save. Our fourth topic is how to alter or delete multiple group. It is not possible to delete or alter groups from Multiple Groups option. Groups created under multiple groups can be modified from Alter option under Single Group. Alter and delete process is same as single group.